Have you ever had similar data that you need to combine together, but the field names don't match? It typically means a pretty manual process to line up header rows and names, but with StarLifter, we have tools that make this a breeze. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine and map data, clean up data, add new calculations, and visualize and explore data. In this example, we're a coffee roaster and we sell through various distributors, Caffeinated Logistics and Roasted Distributions being two of them. Now, each week they send us their sales data, but what you'll notice is they have the same data in them, but the field names are different. This is why it's important for us to map the data from one data set onto the other data set. In StarLifter, we call this appending. We're going to do this by going to our clean and reformat page, choosing the data set we want to map to from the data set we want to map from. And now all I'm doing here is taking which field I want from Caffeinated Logistics and matching it up to which field I want in Roasted Distributions. And if they're already the same, it'll automatically match them. When they're all matched up, we hit OK. And now we can save this as a collection. And we can find this collection in this menu on the left. Now, one thing I notice is my distributor item number has a comma in it. And so I need to change the data type from a number to a character. I want to change this from total cost to total sales, and it needs to be a currency. And now we can work with this data. I'm going to go ahead and create one calculated field. We're going to make an average sale price per bag. Change the data type to a currency and create our calculation. And now this is added as another field, and we can create a KPI off of it. We're going to start to build out this dashboard, and what I want you to notice is just how quickly everything happens. I want to create a chart that shows my total sales by distributor. I want to create another chart that just shows my mix of coffee sold. I want that stacked, and let's normalize to 100%. Next, I want to show my sales by distributor by state, as well as sales by distributor by city. Now we have the dashboard the way we want it. We can go ahead and roll this up by week. And then all we have to do is name our dashboard and our charts. Now that was unbelievably quick from start to finish, but what's even quicker is when I need to refresh this data and bring in another Excel file, I can push it through that already set up append pipeline that we created, and it will update our data.